energy flows wherever attention goes. This is one of the presupposition of NLP, and here human is a energy. Well, we can say human is a human something. Many of them are telling human being is a nasty creature, like that many of them are saying. But here the human is a energy. We can say in that point of view, human is such an energy form, because only the human brain can think and act accordingly. So human brain has a wonderful energy. So wherever human brain is having lots and lots of thoughts in the brain, whenever we are focusing on one particular thought, that has becoming the goal of our life. The goal of our life is created by focusing on the particular thought, because since we are a human being, we are having a lots of thoughts in our mind, but whenever we are focusing on one particular thought, that thought is becoming the goal for us. So goal is very important in our life. So in order to achieve that particular goal, we have to focus on the particular thought. So here thought process is doing a lots of things in our life. Day-to-day life, thought is very important. So this thought is created in the human brain. This thought is an energy. We can say in that point of view, our thought is an energy creator. So whenever we are focusing on that particular thought is becoming and goal and destiny. And so that when we are focusing on that particular thought, we can able to attain the goal in our life. The goal in our life can be attained only by focusing on that particular thought. That focusing on the particular thought is happening in our brain. We have to focus on the particular thought. We have to think which thought is important, which thought is unimportant. Everything we have to decide. Because our human brain constitutes of n number of thoughts, we have to give importance to the relevant thought. That relevancy is important. We have to prioritize our thoughts. Which thought we have to give importance in our life, so that our goal can be achieved. So when we are focusing on that particular thought, that we can easily be able to attain that goal. So this is the thing. Energy flows where our attention goes. Where thought is the energy here, the thought is the energy here. So whenever we are giving the stress to that particular thought we are giving stress, so there is a energy is creating. So we are creating an energy form when we are focusing on that particular thought. So energy is created on that particular thought. So we can able to attain our goal by focusing the thought called energy. So energy, human is an energy, human thought process is an energy here. So whenever we are giving importance to the particular thought, we can able to attain our goal. So for example, we can say in that point of view, for small kids, chocolate is important for them, right? So chocolate, they like chocolate. So they always nag to the parents regarding only the chocolate, because they are giving focus to that particular chocolate and they are getting obviously the chocolate, right? So whenever we are whenever we are nagging on some particular thought, so we can able to gain the energy, we can able to get the energy flow. So this is what energy flows wherever attention goes. Whenever we are focusing on particular thought, that we are able to gather. Suppose we are giving importance to one particular thought. So one particular thought, if we are focusing on that particular thought, we can able to collect lots of information about that particular thought. The thought process is happening on that point of view. The thought process, whatever happening, we can gather lots of information regarding to that particular thought. And so attention goes, our whatever we are giving importance to our thought, our attention automatically flow that particular thought here. So we can able to attain the goal. Next thing, nowadays many of the people, they are simply, we can say that our youngsters also, they are having many fans club, like they are fan following, and they are doing lots of things for their cinema heroes, right? That cinema heroes, they are giving importance to the cinema heroes. For them, they are spending lots of money, everything they are spending for them, but there is no use on that thought, because they are focusing on that particular thought. So their energy flows where the attention goes. So their energy, the thought process of energy is their fan following. So fan following, if they are creating energy in that area, so they will focus only on that area. So energy flows where our attention goes. So we have to use our thought process into a very useful things. So whatever we want in our life, what are the goals we want in our life, we have to give the thought called energy to that particular things. Then the attention goes to that particular thought, and we can able to attain the goal, right? So energy, human thought is energy, human being is energy. We have to use our human brain, and human thought is energy. We have to use it efficiently. Whenever we are thinking something, we have to think it is important. You have to check this thought is important for attaining our goal. Is it important? Is it not important? Everything we have to check. Everything, whatever you are giving input in your brain, is your process that was happening in your life. Everything is a thought. So thought is such a energy flow. Thought is itself a good energy. So your thought should be very clear, and your thought should be regarding your destiny or something. It has to be useful. So it helps in attaining your goal. It may be a simple goal, or it may be a very big goal. Your thought, you have to set a thought process in a very clear cut. So then only you can attract that kind of energy towards achieving your goal. So energy flows wherever attention goes. Wherever we are, so for example, we can say in another point of view, so here, wherever we are giving our attention to something, there are lots of things in our life, day-to-day life. For example, we can say many social media was there, right? Facebook, Twitter, and many social media was there. So our energy, whenever we are concentrating on this particular social media, our energy, we are giving our hard-earned energy toward the social media. So what is the use? We are giving our energy there, right? There are lots of many useful things are there in our universe. So we can give our useful energy called thought towards the many useful things, right? So our energy goes there. So our energy, if it flowing, there should be a light. If our full energy is going towards something, there should be we can see the light on that area. So simply, if you are going towards the social media, everything, there if you are seeing the light, there is no useful on that. So energy should be utilized in a proper way, so that you can see lots of things towards achieving your goal. So your goal is easy here. This video will be very useful for you. If you like this video, kindly share, like, comment. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.